Django-admin login page, Python crashes. I am trying to log into admin URL of the Django post creating superuser through command prompt. After I clicked login button, I am getting Python has stopped working. Python ver 3.7.0 Django ver 3.0. Step 1. Created website using django-admin command. Step 2. Using run server command verified Django default home page is loading. Step 3. Tried admin post creating super admin users. Step 4. Post login button click, Python stopped working, error is displayed. What I tried to solve this issue without any success. Verified through shell my created user is active, superadmin, is _staff and all are true. Tried adding and removing session _cookie _secure equals false in settings.py. Verified allowed _hosts equals in settings.py. What should I do to see the admin page?
I had the same problem with Python 3.7.0 and Django 3.0. I've solved it by upgrading the Python to Python 3.7.6. Brew upgrade Python 3. Then I faced some issues with links in Venv and I had to reinstall my Venv in Django. So, I hope it helps someone.
I had also facing the same issue. I upgrade my Python, but problem is not with Python, it is occurred by virtual environment. Upgrade your virtual environment by running following command. Python mvenv upgrade /myvenv.
I got the same issue with Python 3.7.0 as well. Upgrading to Python 3.8.0 solves this.
I had the same problem, but I was using Anaconda bundle. It doesn't allow you to update your Python packages to minor versions like 3.7.x or 3.8.x. So, I uninstalled the existing bundle and reinstalled it, which comes with a 3.7.6 version of Python. That solved the issue of admin page crashing. Or, you can install a new version of Python 3.7.6 or above and run your Django application there.
If you want to support the channel, be consider liking and subscribing.